So this is the best way you guys can actually earn money from your YouTube channel. Yes, ad revenue is one of the just more, I would say, general ways of you making money on YouTube, and most creators only like live off of that. But I want to let you guys know that there's so many different entities that you guys can get into when you start actually putting videos on YouTube. Number one, I've already explained ads, so you guys understand that ad revenue is a really good way to generate a lot of income. Most of my income probably was split between, the ad revenue and the brand deals, but that's a really good way, of just starting off making money and just getting your feet wet essentially. But in the long run, ad revenue is good too, because when it comes to the snowball effect, that's going to play a really big part. Now, the next major way you guys can start earning revenue just from your YouTube channel is the memberships. Now, the memberships is something new that they recently came out with, and it's something that they allow you to basically have a paid subscription. So you can subscribe to anybody's channel for free, but if you want to go like the further length and you just want to be like a really awesome supporter, you can actually join somebody's channel, and when you join their channel, you can decide what you want to pay. Now, from the creator's point of view, they can have so many different offers. I remember on one channel, and I still to this day make money from this channel, just from this memberships, right? You literally can have a $5 membership, $10 membership, $20, $25, any price you name. If you want a $1,000 membership, you can do that on YouTube. So what I did is I just used the Meadows tier. So I had a bronze membership that was $5. I had a silver membership that was $25. Then I had a gold membership that was $50. Then I had a diamond membership that was $100. And when I tell you that people would get that diamond membership and they'd be on for at least 3 months, just $300 just from them being a member of the channel. Now, there's perks that you can offer with your memberships. You can give people access to private videos, like you can make a video just for your members that they can only see and no one else can see. You can have private streams for your members. You can do so many different things. You can host giveaways for your members. Now, I would be careful with that because on YouTube's terms of service and their policies, you're not supposed to really give them something to become a member. It's more so of them just showing support to you. But if you're offering some really cool perks and you tell your viewers about it and you say, hey, if you guys want to just go the extra length to support this YouTube channel, you can ask them to become a member. You can just have it linked in your description below. What I normally do is I link it in the description below, and I also have it pinned at the top of the comment section. And so when people see that, they engage with it and they do become members, and you do make a lot of money from it. I literally have a channel generating at least $1,000, $2,000 every single month just off of the memberships alone, and I don't even really upload videos on the channel anymore. So it's just something to really look into when you're monetizing your channel, and it's another really good way to monetize your YouTube channel. Now, I don't really talk much about this in this program, but streaming is a really good way that you can make money from your YouTube channel, and one of the ways is through donations. So when you guys are streaming, people are going to have, the ability to go ahead and drop donations on your stream. I remember my biggest donation somebody gave me was $500, and I legit lost my mind. Like I was gaming and I was playing Fortnite and I was streaming, and somebody just dropped $500, and I thought it was just kids watching me. So it really, really felt good, and it's a really good way, you can generate some extra, passive income just from you streaming. And even if it's not, you're playing a game or you're like out doing something, you could be live streaming maybe a rain sound video, or you could be live streaming an ocean sound video, and people will be donating money to you while you're actually streaming. So it's just another really cool way to generate some more income from your YouTube channel and just have it monetized that way. Now, I also want to let you guys know that if you do show a premiere video, instead of just posting a video and making it go public, you can schedule it as a premiere, and it kind of treats it as like a live stream. And so what happens is your viewers are able to come in, they're able to just basically chat up under the video as if it's a live stream, but it's not really a live stream because it's just a video being premiered. And they're also able to donate to your premiere. So if you're not into streaming and you don't really want to get into that, but you just want to focus on, like just posting videos and just premiering content, you can premiere a video, and it'll also give you the version of like a donation bar where people can come in and donate money to your video if they really enjoy your content and they want to support you even further. Now, the final best way that I've made money from YouTube through monetizing my channel was brand deals, okay? Now, there's so many brand deals out there. There's so many brands out there that'll pay you top dollar just to be in front of your video, okay? So let's just take, for example, what I used to do, okay? I used to connect my YouTube channels to a brand called Matchmade, and Matchmade will be in the description below. Essentially, you can sign into Matchmade, you connect your channel, and they'll see all your analytics. They'll see how your channel's performing, and if your channel's performing really good, they'll just start pitching you brand deals, right? So I can get a brand deal, right, that I'm doing for 15 seconds to 45 seconds in the beginning of a video, and they'll pay me $500. I've had brands pay me literally $5,000 for like extended promos. Like I had this one company where we had a promo that would go in front of every single video that I posted for a month, and they paid me $5,000 up front. When I tell you this was the most easiest passive income I've ever made in my life, because number one, I only had to record the promo once. I just had to record it one time. So I recorded the promo one time, and all I had to do was copy and paste it on each video that I was actually publishing on my YouTube channel. And when I did that, like I said, they were getting business from the back end from actually seeing it being promoted, and they were making a lot of money. So as my channel was getting more views and it was growing, more companies would come in and say, hey, can we get a placement ad on this video? Can we get a placement ad on this video? You can get so much money from brand deals, and honestly, I would say, just like being transparent, probably 35 to 45% of my income just from YouTube alone has came from those brand deals. And that's just me, connecting with brands. I don't really reach out to brands, but I know that's a way that most influencers do it. So if you want to reach out to a company and just pitch to them and say, hey, I think this would be perfect for your product. I have a strong audience that's really engaged in this type of content, and I think that you can sell this item to them or this product to them, they will most likely get back to you. You can pitch their idea, they'll pitch you an idea, you'll figure something out, and then they'll come out with the payment, and you guys can just start doing that. I know, a lot of creators that are friends of mine making hundreds of thousands of dollars off a brand deal. I mean, Target is giving people money, Gap, Calvin Klein, all these brands, they will pay you a substantial amount of money for literally a ad. And sometimes the ad is so subtle. For example, this chair I'm sitting in, right? Let's just say I told you the brand of this chair, or it was stitched on the chair. This company would pay me $10,000 for recording this whole program just sitting in this chair. And I never mentioned the chair. You just saw it. It's literally brand deals just like that out there for people just like us, just to put our stuff in videos, just to put their products in videos, and they'll pay you just to have eyes seen. It's just a subconscious thing. Most people will see these types of, furniture items, strollers, or clothing. They'll see it and they want to get it. And so subconsciously, they'll automatically look into it. And these companies feed off of that. And so brand deals is a really, really great way for you guys to just take your business to the next level, take your YouTube channel to the next level, and just really monetize that, because at the end of the day, a brand deal can pay your bills for a year. Like, it really can. And if you get really good relationships with these brands, they'll keep coming back and keep coming back and keep coming back and keep coming back. So that's the goal for your YouTube channel. That's what it should be as far as monetizing. Yes, Google AdSense will make you a ton of money passively. But if you guys can pitch in addition on these brand deals, you guys will make way more than you'd ever could imagine just from having brand deals on your YouTube channel.